Chinese scientists are getting much closer to building a base on the moon and have now discovered how to turn moon dust into good drinking water. When we think about humanity's future in space, one of the biggest challenges we face is ensuring we have enough water. For long-term habitats on the moon, extracting water from moon dust is not just a science experiment, it's a game changer. So why is finding water on the moon so crucial? Can't we just bring it there? Let's break it down. Water is essential for life. It's not just for drinking, but also for growing food, generating oxygen, and even producing rocket fuel. On Earth, we take water for granted, but on the moon, it's a rare commodity. Moon dust, or regolith, is usually just a nuisance for astronauts that gets caught up in everything, like sand at the beach. But researchers in China have recently devised a method to produce water directly on the moon from the regolith. They have discovered that by reacting the lunar dust with hydrogen and apply heat, that they can actually generate over 50 kilograms of water per 1 ton of lunar soil. This is a real game changer for sustainable human life on our moon. Water is vital for lunar survival on other planets. This is why it's attracting such intense research from countries like China and the USA. Professor Junqiang Wang and his team at NIMTE are the ones who developed a new method that can produce a massive amounts of water with today's technology, and it's simply done by reacting regular lunar regolith with endogenous hydrogen. Previous lunar missions like Apollo and the Chang'e E5 actually found direct water on the moon. However, the lunar minerals sampled contained a very low water content, making it very challenging and unpractical to extract and utilize on-site. During the most recent Chinese lunar mission from the Chang'e E5 mission, Wang's team discovered that by heating the moon dust over 1,200 Kelvin using concave mirrors on the moon, they could produce a substantial amount of water. Early calculations estimate that 1 ton of lunar regolith could yield over 50 kilograms of water, which is enough for over 50 people for a day. This discovery could allow us to establish closed-loop systems where water is constantly recycled and reused, thus reducing the costly need to transport water from Earth. Certain lunar minerals like ilmenite showed even higher hydrogen content, due to its unique structure with sub-nanometer tunnels. The potential to extract even more water from the moon may increase as we continue to discover even more new aspects of the moon's geology. On-site heating experiments have been conducted by the Chinese lunar drone. They indicated that the hydrogen is in fact found in lunar minerals, which is now considered a hugely valuable resource on the moon, as they are needed for lunar water production. This water can safely be used for drinking, irrigation, and can even be electrochemically decomposed into hydrogen to create energy, or even oxygen needed for breathing. The moon might seem barren and desolate, but with this new innovation, we can start to envision a transformation into a thriving outpost for humanity's future. These discoveries are the pioneering steps required toward real exploration and future research stations on the moon. So what do you think? Now that we can guarantee a jacuzzi on the lunar base, would you be willing to move there? Will we see humans living in outer space within our lifetimes? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And as always, have a fantastic day.